Men's Lives Will Flourish by Benjamin Krem's Master. A Master Speaks, Volume 2, page 129. When men more fully realize the extent of the damage done to their lives by the economic and financial collapse of recent years, they will find it impossible to revert, as many hope will be the case, to the old system. That economy was shattered by greed, selfishness, and separation, but essentially by the action of the energies of the new time. Already, more than men are aware, the energies of Aquarius work their magic on Earth. Increasingly, people are being drawn together in consciousness. The energies of synthesis are performing their beneficent work. Already, many are responding in a new way, as if relieved of a deadening weight, looking forward to a world simplified but more united. When we see this, we too are gratified and strengthened in our belief in the qualities of man. Our hope for the future is renewed as we see men search and respond to the new. The star has not been alone in changing the atmosphere of Earth from despair to hope, but is proving a potent factor in this transformation. More and more, the Aquarian energies will create in men the desire for unity and oneness, and even now are sowing the seeds of future transformation. Maitreya, meanwhile, waits patiently for the day on which his face may be seen by men. That day is not far off. Already arrangements are being made for his initial interview, the first of many such. Do not be surprised if reactions to his statements are quiet or subdued. Have no doubt that in future appearances Maitreya will speak loudly and boldly for the suffering poor of the world, for an ending of war, for a world in which justice and sharing enfold men in their beneficent grace. Much, very much, is expected of Maitreya, but few can realize the vast extent of his generosity of spirit. People will come to know and love him as a friend and as a teacher, and will willingly respond to his words. Maitreya will evoke from men their own heart's love for justice, sharing, and peace, perennial jewels in the hearts of all men. Now comes the time of a further flowering of these divine attributes as men reconsider the faults and inadequacies of the past. Under the guidance of Maitreya and his group, men's lives will flourish as never before, raising men from their past state of ignorance and fear into the expression of a divinity until now almost unknown.